In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PowerPoint presentation into a PDF. So to do that, all you need is to open the presentation over here. This is under WPS presentation mode, the present application. So to convert this to PDF, all you need is to come to the print over here. You can see the print, and then you can specify print to PDF, and then you can just go ahead and say okay to this, and this is going to be converted to a PDF. So you can specify the location. This means I want it to be on my desktop. Just give it the name, my presentation, and PDF, and then you can just go ahead and click on done, and this is going to convert your presentation into a PDF document. Okay, and you can see it over here. Come to my desktop, and you're going to see it, my presentation in PDF. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.